So anger is an emotion that is highly tied to our hormones, and that is for men and for women. So what's really great is that with Young Living's Premium Starter Kit, you can use stress away, peace and calming, lavender, lemon, all of these really calming and lightening, kind of brightening emotional oils. But what's also great with Young Living essential oils and our over 600 lifestyle products is that they are essential oil infused, which means they're going to work in your body better than the products at the store. 2, they're the only pesticide-free option on the market. And 3, there aren't any synthetics. So that means that your hormones are going to be able to be more balanced, which means your emotions are going to be more balanced. And so when we come back to the idea of anger, are we just putting a band-aid on something and I'm diffusing lemon and orange and I've got stress away on and I'm just trying to always keep up with my emotions? Or am I living proactively where I have a healthy diet and exercise, and most importantly, I'm not using toxic stuff? And the only company that offers toxin-free things for real, like pesticides, because we don't want Roundup in our veins, is Young Living. And so when we get the Premium Starter Kit with the Essential Rewards, we spend less money than we ever would spend in the store. We buy in bulk through Young Living, and it's concentrated, so we dilute it out. And we're able to have a healthy body, a healthy home, both physically as well as emotionally.